hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have been working on January new releases for my budget stickers, and I have finally got them completed in 2 different styles, just like I do every month. So if you guys are interested in seeing the new stickers for January and the new year, please stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to first start with my favorite of the 2 themes. I absolutely love how this one turned out. First you have the thick washi. Just like always, you get 2 different thick washi strips. It's just a navy blue striped with a pink floral. I think it turned out so cute. And then the thin washi, you get 5 strips. You have a little bit of a darker pink color, again the floral stripped, you have a bluish gray, the cute black and white polka dots, and then you have a cream colored strip down here. So those are the two washies for the floral striped kit. All of these are sold either individually, or I do have a deluxe budget kit on my shop that you could get all of these stickers in. So go check that out. All of these are listed up right now, www.moreyjune.com. So again, you have the thick washi and the thin washi, and I will lay these down on paper here in just a little bit so you guys can see what they look like. Next is the January budget kit for the floral striped. You have the January budget script, you have your income washi, total income, your expenses washi, total expenses, and then you have your total budgeted savings and actual savings. And again, I brought in the floral striped pattern in your 2 totals washi. So that is the budget. Then you have sinking funds and debt tracker and transactions kits here. Sinking funds has your category, beginning, plus or minus, and ending, and then your totals. Debt tracker has debt, beginning, amount paid, and ending, and then totals. And then your transactions has the one washi with date, amount, category, and description. And then we have the weekly check-in. I always have 5 weeks on here just so I don't have to change it from a 4-week month to a 5-week month, so you can just discard the extra week if you need to. But you have all the weeks, then you have category, spent, remaining, and your totals down here, bringing in the same colors from the rest of this month's kit. Now these are all the items that you would receive if you bought the deluxe bundle. You would get 3 of the thick washi, 2 of the thin washi, and then 1 each of these. And then we also have the Paycheck to Paycheck kits. I'll just leave those there for now. So these are the Paycheck to Paycheck kits for the floral striped. You have your income, date, amount, and then your total income. You have expenses in total, cash envelopes in total, sinking funds in total, savings in total, and then your paycheck breakdown and your paycheck remaining. These are what I use every week when I do my paycheck breakdown. It's very helpful so you can see exactly where your money is going, in what category and whatnot, and what you have left. So that's the paycheck. You would purchase 1 of these per paycheck so you will receive in the month. I get paid on a monthly basis. November has 4 weeks, so I will use 4 of these. And then lastly, which I think this is probably my favorite part, would be the monthly overview. So you have your washi here, you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then your notes. You have 2 thin washies, all of your date dot covers, and then the 2 holidays or federal holidays in January. So that's the monthly overview. And then you have the budget overview, which just has coordinating, bill due stickers that match the colors for this month, expense stickers, and some payday stickers. So that is all of the floral stripes. Now again, I will lay, actually I'll just do that now. I'm just going to lay a couple down. I think I'll do the budget kit. So for those, I like to take a thick washi. This is an old Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And I like to lay this down at the top. I do this for all of my kits. You can do it however you want. This is just how I like to do it. I like it to be pretty. And then, like I said, we're going to do the budget, so I'm going to grab out the budget kit. So we're going to put the script stickers in here. We have January, budget, and then you grab your income washi, and I like to put that just right below that thick washi there. I just absolutely love this kit, and I cannot wait for January so I can use it. I love how the pinks and the blues and the stripes all go together. So then you would mark down whatever income sources you had there for the month. So say you just had a couple, then I would come in with my total income washi down here at the bottom. And you don't have to, but I like to draw lines with pencils so that my lines are, or my rows, I guess, are all straight. And then next you would come in with your expenses. And again, you can lay these out however you want. It is completely up to you how you use the stickers. And then just say you have that many expenses, so then you put your total expenses down here. And then if you were doing savings, which I like to track mine, you could just put that in there as well. So super easy and super cute. It makes your budget or your budgeting look so cute. I love how all the colors coordinate together. So again, this is the January budget kit. So to get this look, you would need to purchase one of the thick washi kits, which is this right here, and then one of the January budget kits to get this look here. So go check that out. Next, I wanted to show you guys the second theme for this month, which is winter leaves. So this one I was looking for kind of a bluer floral type theme, and this is what I came up with. You have blues and grays and creams and some oranges. So this is the thick washi. So again, you have your two different thick washis. This is the thin washi. So you have a light blue, that same leaf pattern, a cream, another different design there, and a gray. So that's your thin washi. And then here is your budget. And then we have sinking funds, debt tracker, transaction, and the weekly check-in. So all the kits are the same as the other ones I showed you. These are just in a different design. So those are all of those ones. And then I will show you guys the paycheck to paycheck, which looks like that, just bringing in all of those same colors. And then the monthly overview. So you have your same calendar overview just like the other one, and then there is the budget monthly sheet that just brings in those same colors. And for this one, flip to a new page here. I think I will do, actually I'm going to do a calendar overview. So for the calendar overview, you just open to your monthly overview. These, this is a 7x9, so, and that's what these sheets are. I also sell them for the Erin Condren, or really any planner that is 8.5 inch by 11, so either size, except the monthly overview. The monthly overview I only do in the 7x9, but all the other sheets are 7x9 or 8.5 inch by 11. So you just lay this sheet here across the top to make sure you cover your dates, as I already have those inputted on there. And then go to the other side and do the same thing. Just lay that right across the top there. And then I like to take, see how much, it's crazy how just that little bit already makes a huge difference. I then like to take these smaller thin washies here and put them at the bottom. So you just lay those down, especially if you have the colored planner rather than the neutral. It just kind of takes away those bright colors so that they don't clash with whatever monthly stickers you're using or any other stickers in your planner. And then again on the other side, just lay that down. Now I'm not going to lay all the date dot covers, but I'll just show you a couple of them here. Guess we should start on the right number, just so you kind of get an idea. I'll just do the whole first row here. Oops. Get all of these laid down. I cannot wait to use the pink, or the floral stripes monthly overview. I think that one is going to be so super cute. Okay, so that's what it would look like with your date dot covers. And then I realized this is not January that I'm using, so I'm just going to make up that this day here is New Year's Day. So we'll just lay that script sticker down here, and then Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And this is horrible because I don't know. I think it's the 12th of January, but I'm not positive. So we're just going to pretend that it is. If it's not, please do not hate me. We'll just pretend. So that is what a monthly overview looks like. Obviously you would have the rest of your date dot covers, but that's the idea of it. And then you can use the different budget stickers for that month. You have different bill dues. You have paydays. If you had expenses for the week, you can lay those down. So super cute. That is that. And also one more thing that I want to show you guys. Actually, I'm going to show you a couple of things. I wanted to show you how the other kits look. And I'm not going to use the exact sticker kits, but I'm going to use my current. So this is what a monthly overview looks like. And then this is what your budget kit will look like. And again, like I said, I like to write lines so that I stay even. So this is the budget kit. This is debt tracker. That's what that one will look like. This is sinking funds. You have your transactions, your weekly check-in, and then these are what the paycheck to paycheck sticker kits look like. You can arrange your stickers however you like. This is just how I like to do them. And again, all of these kits do not come with a thick washi. Some people don't like to use them, but I do. I think it just adds a little bit extra. So to get any of these, you would need the specific like weekly check-in kit and a thick washi sheet. But that is what those look like. So again, check out my website. It's www.moreyjune.com for the sticker kits for January 2021. I can't believe that we could even say that. So again, that's what the pink floral stripe looks like, and then there was the winter leaf. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. I do now have foiled stickers in my shop. Tons and tons and tons of designs, scripts, household, build-dos, functional stickers, everything in 4 different colors: silver, iridescent, rose gold, and gold. So tons of new foiled stickers up there. You can use code FOIL10 to receive 10% off of all of my foiled stickers. So go check that out. You can save some money in shipping when you order foiled stickers and the January budget kit. So go check out my website. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!